Hello everyone, my name is Swati. I am studying BCA in Interface College of Computer Application. Today's my topic was flowchart and its symbols. Now I'll explain about a flowchart and its symbols. What are the advantages and disadvantages are there in the flowchart, and I'll show example for flowcharts. Now I'll explain flowchart definition. A flowchart is a pictorial or graphical representation of an algorithm. A flowchart is a diagram which visually presents the flow of data through a processing. A flowchart plays an important role in the programming of a problem and helpful in understanding. We can see the flowchart as a blueprint to design you have a made for solving a problems. A algorithm are nothing but sequence of step for solving a problem. Sequence means one by one. I should give a small example for flowchart. Suppose you are going to picnic with your friends. Then your plan of for the activities you should do you will do there. Flowcharts are classified into two types: program flowchart and system flowchart. Program flowchart means it presents a diagrammatical representation of sequence of instruction for solving a problem. System flowchart means it indicates the flow of data throughout the data processing system as well as flow into out of the systems. Such flowcharts are widely used by designers and to explain the data and processing the systems. Importance of flowcharts: communication, effective analysis, proper documentation, effective efficient coding, proper debugging, efficient program maintenance. These are the importance of flowchart. Now I'll explain about the importance of flowchart. Communication means flowcharts are better way of communication of the logic of a program. Efficient analysis means with the help of flowchart program can be analyzed in more efficient way. Proper documentation means program flowcharts serve as a good programmer documentation which is needed a programmer's. Efficient coding means the flowchart acts as a guiding sorry the flowchart act as a guide during the system analysis and program development pass. Proper debugging means the flowchart helps in debugging process. Efficient program maintenance means the maintenance of a program become easy with the help of flowcharts. Now I'll explain a symbols of flowchart. This symbol we called as process. It indicates the type of internal operations inside the processor or memory. This symbol we called as input and or output. Used for input or output operation indicates that computer is to obtain the data or input results. This symbol we called as decision. We use decision because use it to ask a question that can answer by binary format yes or no or true or false. This symbol we called as connector. We use in the time of allows the flowchart to be drawn without interesting lines or without reserve a flow. This symbol we called as predefined process. We use it predefined process in the time used to innovate a subroutine or interpret programs. This symbol we called as terminal. We use in the time of indicate the starting or ending of the program process or interpret the program. This symbol we called flow lines in the time of show direction of flow. Draw a flowchart into it two numbers entered by the users. I'll give example for flowchart. How to add numbers by the users. This is the one of the small example for flowchart. First we should put a start and declare variable num2 and sum. Read, we should we should input num1 and num2, and we should the process this sum equals a plus b and give output, display the sum and stop. Another one example, to find largest among of three numbers, first start after declare variable a comma b c. This is input and read a b c. If a is greater than b, if it is true means it will move this side and show a is greater than c. In this, if it is true means it will print a, or it false means it will print b. Here, A is greater than B. If it is a false means it move this side and show if A is greater than C. In B is greater than C. In B is greater than C, if it is true means it print C, or it false means it print B. And lastly, hint. Advantages of flowcharts. Flow Flowchart provide an excellent means of communication which is very to easy to understand. It has got a definite procedure which all the major parts of programs, it is easy to convert into a program. It is independent programming language. It is easy to debug. Every step has got its own logical sequence. Disadvantages of flowcharts. It is a time consuming and requires the uses of a number of symbols which are be properly represented. The representation of complex logical is difficult in a flowchart. Alteration and modification can be only made by redrawing the flowchart. Thank you.